Hey Alley Cats! Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Alley Cat Beauty. In today's video, we are going to be doing a very quick day to night eyeshadow transformation with only one eyeshadow. I'm really excited to do this look. I tried it out a few days ago and I loved it, so I just thought I would share it with you guys and show you guys how quick and easy it can be. So without further ado, let's get started, Alley Cats! Alrighty, Alley Cats, so like I said in the intro, today we are going to be doing a day to night eyeshadow look with one single shadow, which is going to be the Space Case Cosmetics eyeshadow in Intense Stargasm. I actually got this in an Ipsy Glam bag a little bit ago. I believe it was in May, and I had mixed feelings about it at first because I'd tried other Space Case Cosmetics products and I wasn't completely sold on those, but then when I tried this out, I actually really liked it because it was really buildable, so it could go on very sheer and then you could build it up to be a lot bolder, which is why I chose this eyeshadow for this look. I feel like a lot of times if you have work or school during the day and you wear makeup and then you have something planned for the night, for me personally, a lot of times I would typically take off my makeup from the day and then put on a different like color or shadow or something for the nighttime look. So this is a really nice and convenient way to be able to just wear something during the day and then build it up a little bit and transform it into a night out look. So we are going to get started with that. Also, just a fun fact, I did use the other Space Case Cosmetics products today that I do own. So I used the Space Case Cosmetics blush in It's Not Me, It's My Sign, along with the Space Case Cosmetics highlighter in Scene from Space 1A. So I did use these two for my base makeup, which as you can see I already have everything on. I really just wanted to focus on the eye look for today. So without further ado, let's get started with the eyes. Alrighty, so like I said, I already did all of my base makeup. I also primed my eyes, so we're going to get right into the eyeshadow. So for the day look, basically what I wanted to do, since this is kind of a pretty bold color, if you wet the brush, it'll come out really dark. So I'm just going to go in and put kind of a sheer light eyeshadow on, since I am going to be using mascara, which is going to kind of keep it to a more natural look. So I'm taking my BH Cosmetics 103 brush and use a light hand to apply this eyeshadow. Alrighty, so that's pretty much it. It's really quick, honestly. This in real time took me like, I don't know, like less than a minute. Since it is a pretty shimmery shade, as you can see, since it's pretty shimmery, I didn't want to go too all out and put it like all over up here by my brow bone. I just wanted to keep it nice and subtle for the day. So I am gonna apply mascara now, and this is just gonna bring this look to a little bit higher of a level because it will volumize the eyelashes a lot, which still keeps it nice and natural for the day, but it makes it look like my eyes are a little wider open. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this and then I'll come back. Alrighty, so as you can see, that mascara already just opened my eyes a little bit more. I'm not putting anything on the bottom lashes for now because this is supposed to be more of like a natural daytime look. So for someone who maybe wants to accentuate their features but they can't wear a lot of makeup to work, or they just want to go for a more low-key makeup look for the day, this is going to be for you. Now, what I really like about this day to night look with this single shadow is that you really don't need to bring a lot along with you if you're going straight from work or school to whatever it is you're going to later in the day or later at night. You just need to bring the eyeshadow. If you want to apply more mascara later, you can apply some, or you can bring some of the mascara, and then definitely an eyeliner. But really all you need is the eyeshadow, the mascara, the eyeliner, oh, and then of course the eyeshadow brush. I would recommend bringing some sort of setting spray if you have like a trial size or something. I would recommend bringing that just so that you can wet the brush to apply the eyeshadow so that it comes out more boldly. But again, that's up to you. If you do have time to go home, obviously you don't have to bring all of this stuff with you, but it's not a lot of things that you need to do to transform this look from the day look to the night look. So really quickly, here is the finished day look. So again, with the day look, I didn't put on anything on my lips. I am trying to keep this a lot more natural, but you don't need to put anything on your lips for this daytime look. If you want to, of course, you totally can. That's up to you. But now we are going to transform this day look into the night look. So the first thing that I'm going to do to transform this day look into a night look is take some eyeliner, and I'm going to try and smoke it out on the outer corners just to give it a little more depth. I mean, technically you could use another shadow if you wanted to deepen up that outer corner, but since we are sticking to the one shadow look, I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, and I'm just going to put a little bit on the outer corner, almost like I'm doing my eyeliner, but I'm going to put a little extra, and then I'm going to take my blending brush, my Far blending brush, and I'm just going to kind of blend that out so that the outer corner does have some depth. So as you can see already, the outer corners are a little deeper than they were before. If you want to add more depth, you can just add more eyeliner and blend it out. I am going to do that a little bit, and then I'll go ahead and apply the eyeliner normally. But this is a really good way if you don't have a deeper eyeshadow on you and you have an eyeliner, you can just blend out the eyeliner in selected spots to deepen out that outer corner. So now that those are deepened up a little bit, I am going to take the same brush I used before, and I'm going to put a good amount of product on both sides. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my setting spray. So I'm using my Revolution Hyaluronic Fix Hydrating and Plumping Makeup Fixing Spray. And I'm just going to spray both sides. So now it's a little wet, and I'm going to apply that to the inner corner and then bring it out to make the eyeshadow look a lot bolder. I'm also going to take that brush and dip it back in the shadow just a little bit to get the inner corners. And as you can see, just from wetting the brush with the eyeshadow on it, this look has gone from day to night in no time. The shadow is so much bolder already, and it just looks like a nighttime look. All I have left to do is do another coat of mascara and some eyeliner, so I'm going to go ahead and do that really quickly, and then I will show you the final look. Alrighty, so this is the final nighttime look. It was really quick and easy to do from the daytime to the nighttime. It probably in total took less than 5 minutes. Definitely less than a couple minutes for the eyes, that's for sure. But as you can see, it has dramatically changed from the daytime where it was nice, simple, no lips, just a little bit of mascara, a light sheer coat of eyeshadow, to now being a very bold, brighter, eyeshadow look with some mascara and some eyeliner and then a nice lip to go with it as well. If you really wanted to and you had the space to bring a few more products with you, you could bring some extra blush or highlighter to add that on for your night out look. I'm personally cool with the look that I have on now. I typically, if I go for a bold eye, I like everything else to be a little more subdued. I do, however, like my really blinding highlight, but for the purpose of today's video, I'm not going to do that. We're just going to keep it focused on the eyes. But this is the final nighttime look. So I'm really happy with this. Like I said, it's a really easy way to just use a single shadow. You can do this with a neutral brown, and instead of doing it all over your lid evenly, you can do it a light wash and then deepen up the outer corners with that brown. You can do it with pretty much any shimmer shade that you have, but this is just a nice way that I could highlight the Space Case Cosmetics eyeshadow, which I actually am really liking. But doing a makeup look with just a single shadow is a lot easier than you might think. I mean, it is one shadow, so it's pretty easy, but it's easy to build it up in a way where you can go from day to night and just tweak it just a little bit to transform your look. I know a lot of people like to use like 5 or 6 different shades on their eyeshadow look, which is completely fine. I do that too when I have the time, but if you're in a rush and you just need to throw on some eyeshadow and get out the door, and then you have to come back from work or whatever you're doing from the day, and you just need to do a quick little transformation to get to your nighttime look, I would definitely recommend this for you. Whether it be with this eyeshadow or a different one, it really doesn't matter. It's up to you. But I just wanted to show you guys how easy and quick it can be to go from a daytime look to a nighttime look with one eyeshadow. So if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and comment down below. If you have any questions or other comments or things you want to see in the future, go ahead and leave those in the comment section as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you want to get a notification every time I upload a new video, go ahead and ring that bell as well. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram at AllieCatBeauty. And remember, beauty radiates from within, so don't forget to be confident and be you. See you later, Alley Cats!